My name is Dr. Seema Sundaran, and I'm a dental practitioner who's been in the field for the past 22 years. I established my clinic in India, in Kerala, and we've been running for the past 22 years. The fact that I had a lot of trouble initially was absolutely taken care of by my team Dentsoftware. Ever since I started using this particular software, I realized that I was totally missing out on a patient documentation system which was absolutely lacking in my setup. Now, Team Dentsoftware had set up a certain kind of a software for me which is so user-friendly that I hardly had any trouble orienting myself to using it and to documenting important things that I had overlooked otherwise. Starting with how many patients are waiting in my waiting room, right up to how a treatment is conducted, how the billing is done, and how I can dispatch the patient from here is so user-friendly. I really don't have enough words to express how wonderful the software actually has made my system of practice in Kerala. I recommend Dentsoftware to all practicing dentists. I believe that this is an integral part of dental practice. If you want to set up a successful practice, you need a team that is reliable, who you can work with. At any point, whenever I need help, if my software isn't working, Team Dentsoftware is right there at my doorstep, ready to help me out. And I've had absolutely no problem with the management of my practice ever since the software has come into play. I recommend it to every single practitioner out there who's setting up your practice or who has a practice going on right now, because the success of your practice is very much based on the kind of, not just based on the number of clients who are coming in and the kind of clients who are coming in, but it's also important what kind of a backup you have. What kind of a backup do you have to document the kind of patients that you're seeing, to document the kind of treatment that you have done. And for all this, I think you have a little cookie in a nutshell. And that for you is this particular software which has been set up by Dentsoftware. So thank you everyone. Please don't forget to place an order for this particular software so that your practice can be enhanced and so that you take the right step in the right direction today. Thank you Dentsoftware.